Well, hello there guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show some kind of current scamming going on Fiverr. So me into this video, and don't forget that subscribe button under the video. Please do something about it, and let's do it. Let's start it. If you're a college student and you're searching for some extra cash, you probably know the platforms like Fiverr. But if you don't know anything about Fiverr, in 2020, by breaking after freelancing, Fiverr was the top of the line platform for freelancers. The break of freelancing mainly caused two things. At the first, it makes crash in some websites like Fiverr and Upwork, and etc. Other like websites like that. And on the other hand, it makes a lot of new freelancers into the game. This break in the game caused some scammers to start copycat the same thing. Probably not just the same thing, I mean scamming from the same way. In this video, I worked with one of them to show you the different ways to scamming freelancers. So I create my profile for making some cash, but after a week I understand it's useless because it doesn't accept my credit card, and I didn't had PayPal account by the time. So I decided to wait a little bit and make some money in there. Then if it's worth it, I will going to make PayPal. Yeah, seems kind of simple. At the first I had some shitty ass voiceover gig that roughly made any clicks and barely got under 16 impressions. But giving up is something common in my dictionary if you look at my YouTube channel, but not this time. After an hour, I made a new gig making gameplay footage. It is a better right now, but by the time it was same. But right now it's better. It's get more impression. In next 5 days, nothing happened special. I didn't get any job requests or chat even. But after that, I do the unthinkable. I publish my logo design gig. I start to getting random messages that look like other replies or things like that. Like they made some AI to search for the profiles and send them some auto replies that make to these peoples. But first, look at some other guys with minus count of brain cells, which request me to add my email for his payment on his own credit card. And other sketchy links, things like that they sent to me. But this one is the most stupidity I saw in a scammer. Like, bro, if you have done something for yourself, I at least send something worth like $5 or something to you. But that shit is not real, bro. After this gig, I understand they have a mainly request to work with three type of the guys with these three professions. First, logo designer, second, translator, and third, data entry. So it might be because they can easily overflow them and make them work, but they actually have a hot market in these topics. With a low amount of idiot workers. As you can see on the screen, there are a lot of guys in here with actually mostly new made accounts, which may be because they got banned with any try in Fiverr due to their last jobs scams. But what if they are legit? What if they are real agencies workers which trying to find a new slaves? I mean employees. What if? So I must try. I must see for myself. Even I know they are fully scammers. Yeah. And yeah, I start to message one of them. So I messaged a couple of them and found out this guy. So I messaged a couple of them, but nobody, I didn't make any cash from them until some guy named George Bellamy, the guy who changed the game for me. At the first, I thought I need to get some logo design job, But no, they taking too much time, so I was going for translation. So if they didn't pay me, I just don't be so angry. But the condition is fucked, really. He wants he wants it in 9 hours and going to pay $2,000 to me. Nobody in the world give you that much money, and nobody can translate that much in just 9 hours. But what I am, a genius? Nah, not here, not now. I am the scammer here, man. So I try to take his file and translate it with Yandex Translator and my own mistakes inside it. For example, I change every otrescat with rescat, which means cutting still, but rescat it's for the time when you cut some flesh or something, and it has a lot of different meaning. But otrescat for the times when you cut your hair. So I sent him a 10-page sample, and I said to him about my milestones. You know, milestone is kind of my strategy to avoid scammers inside Telegrams or other chat message based platforms. For avoiding that, I said you can do milestones. That's easy. Most of people already done that, and it's good. He did not deny my request. He ignored it, like nothing happened. So angry me, fuck his work as much as possible, and sent him that. He said me I sent it for review, and I be like, do they have a review center near the scamming center or near the toilet? Because they accept it. And it was a great job. By the way, I sent my web money to him 1,000,000 times. After that, he directed me to other scammer, which he said does the payment manager or something. I said to him, does he gonna pay me? And he's be like, yeah, he's going to. He's our payment manager. He's going to do that. I already told them I have received money only in form of crypto. I don't have any possible way. But this guy be like, send me your bank detail. I need a bank detail for transaction or else. So I sent him Russian bank name with the Russian card number, not the bank account number. And I sent him transfer to this account to just make it trust. Just for the record, the name on the account was not real, and the account number is not a number for the account. It was a credit card, and I sent him transfer to this account via Swift. Okay. And after that, he sent me a fake ass receipt and be like, yeah, it's in progress. He sent me email, I don't know, his corporation from Union Swift Bank HD@gmail.com, and he's be like, send me all of the information you have and $80, and I'm the bank. I need it for your bank terminals. Yeah, I know some stuff like that, but your fucking bank terminal doesn't understand and verify my names, and that's the fact is the account. That was not the account number I gave you. That's a MasterCard from Russia. They didn't understand that. Yeah, buddy, you look so fucking legit. I will send you all of my money. By the end of the day, never trust guys with these overpayments ideas. Try to do your work as legit as possible, and it doesn't have a problem to work with some website and not sketchy guys in telegrams. Comment me if you see video till now about saying things happened for you, even you might have same stories or something, and tell me in the comment, do I need to make another video about explaining you the milestones or things like that, or you already know that? I'm almost down to game. Thanks you all. Natural Assassin number 33 out.